Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today I'm going to be showing you an idea for an advent calendar countdown. This would be our first time to do that as a family tradition. So I planned a week ahead to come up with something fun for the kids. So it's not just like the Christmas day that's exciting, that's also they're looking forward to each and every day before Christmas. So we have 24 days of activities planned out, and these are the accessories that I got, or the calendar and the book that I got. That's going to be an interactional. And so first, this advent calendar. They have a lot of styles on Amazon that I can link. So this is what I picked. As you can see here, there are some numbers, so the kids can open up each of those little windows, and it would have like a brief story about the birth of Jesus. So let's open this up. So I just took out the calendar out of the box, and it shows here, says here, countdown the 24 days until Christmas with this fun family tradition. Beginning December 1st, open window number 1, and then another each day to reveal special picture, and also read the Bible text that tells a part of the nativity story. So this is the back. As you can see here, well, some of this is in different language, but it's the same there. So that's the first part. I'm going to show you maybe one of the windows. As you can see here, for December 1st, actually stands up. It's like it has a stand, so you could prop it up on a table, like a kitchen table. You got the numbers here, and this is the number 1. I'll just open it up to show you what it looks like. So there's the picture of the star. I mean, is this a sun or a star? So it says here, we focus. The people who walk in darkness have seen a great light. Isaiah 9:1. So that's our first window. So that's the first thing that I got for the children. The next one is this book. It's called Discovering Christmas by Amanda Jazz. It's a 25-day Advent devotion for kids and activities for kids, but these are just suggestions. I'm not going to be following everything that's in this book for the suggestion, but it is nice to have, and I really like the art for this book. It's really cute. See, it's not very thick. It's the back of the book. So look at the day 1, how to hope. So you got the devotion. It's an NIV, which I don't really care. I like to read stories in KJV, so we're gonna read it in KJV, and I will have the kids read it for me. So it's interactional. There's a story. There's a nice drawing on the side, and in the back you can read about it. So there, you can read about the passage, talk about it, go about it. This is the activity, and then pray about it. So there's a lot of suggestion here that would keep your kids engaged for 15 to 30 minutes if you're doing this thing. I'll just do a quick run through on how the other pages look like, so you have an idea. Oh, that looks really fun. So after that, I'm going to show you our first activity for today. It's actually just it's 1 o'clock in the morning of December 1st, so just doing a quick unboxing here, and we'll be doing this later in the evening. And this is the activity we have for today. So instead of something that you hang on the wall for the advent calendar, I opted for a more economical option. It's a little bit cheaper, and it's fun to do. The idea is, I got some tie here, this tie, and then there's some numbers for the number of the day, and we're going to paint it red. So that's already an activity in itself. So I got an extra activity for day 1. Actually really cute to hang in a mantle, like if you have like a Christmas mantle or like a fireplace. It came with this like clips where you can hang it in the mantle, like for each of the day. Like for example, you got day 19, you hang it in the bag. So the bag comes in 3 colors. You got the gray, you got this natural color, and then we got the red. And I think we got a brown as well. So there's 4 colors. So all you have to do is like attach this tie over here with a number, and you can like have a bag for each day. So day 1, day 2. So that's the idea. Or you can hang it. I'm just planning to put some goodies in each bag, like candies or some little toys for the bag for the day. I have 4 children, so it has to be like smaller toys or it won't fit. But that is the idea. We're gonna do the Christmas devotion. Oh, we're gonna do the calendar first, and then we're gonna do the devotion, prayer, and then we're gonna do the activity. And the activity for the first day is painting this. I'm gonna be using this for painting. I have this like rubber tip, and we're gonna paint the numbers red. And that's one idea. There's a lot of ideas online you can look into. I think we're doing some puzzles one of these days, card games. You can do like cut snowflakes, decorations, go for drives, see Christmas movie, something like that. But those are some of the ideas. I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.